Learn French fast. May I equals
Puis-je?
welcome. Welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today you'll learn how English may I becomes French.
Puis-je?
A tiny phrase with big politeness power. Warm up. Raise your hand slightly, palm forward, and say,
Puis-je?
your goal today. Let's lock in one phrase and make it unforgettable. Picture a glowing doormat at your door that whispers,
Puis-je?
every time you step on it. Hear a soft triangle ding, then you say,
Puis-je?
cue rhyme. May I, sky high? Answer in French.
Puis-je?
Smell fresh paper in an office, touch your chest lightly, and let the gentle key.
Puis-je?
Unlock permission. Forms you can use. You've got options, pick the right level of politeness.
Puis-je?
Formal inversion, crisp and polite.
Est-ce que je peux?
Neutral, everyday polite.
Je peux.
Informal, fine with friends, not informal settings.
Pourrais-je?
Extra polite, conditional, very courteous.
Ai-je le droit de?
Asking about permission or authority. Negative twist.
Puis-je ne pas?
May I not? Mini dialogue. Listen in and echo the French out loud. You at the door.
Puis-je entrer?
Clerk.
Bien sûr.
On the phone.
Puis-je parler à Madame Dupont?
Polite reply.
Un instant, s'il vous plaît.
Quick drills. Your turn, short prompts, fast answers. Ask. May I sit here? Say.
Puis-je m'asseoir ici?
Ask. May I come in? Say.
Puis-je entrer?
Ask. May I have water? Say.
Puis-je avoir de l'eau?
Ask. Could I speak with you? Say.
Pourrais-je parler avec vous?
Ask. May we start? Say.
Pouvons-nous commencer?
Ask. Am I allowed to take photos? Say.
Ai-je le droit de prendre des photos?
Culture tip. Sound polished without sounding stiff. Informal contexts, emails, customer service, announcements.
Puis-je?
Feels elegant and respectful. Day to day.
Est-ce que je peux?
Is smooth and common, with friends.
Je peux.
Is totally fine. Think of.
Puis-je?
As a gentle key, triangle ding, small step forward, polite smile, door opens. Quiz time. Pop quiz, answer out loud. How do you say may I? In French? Answer with the formal inversion.
Tirez bas, tirez bas, tirez bas, tirez bas, tirez bas.
Answer.
Puis-je?
Odd one out.
Puis-je? Est-ce que je peux? Bonjour, je peux.
It's
Bonjour.
not a permission phrase. Speed round. Quick. Say the French for may I.
Puis-je?
Combo. Give 3 variants for asking permission.
Puis-je?
Slash.
Est-ce que je peux?
Slash.
Je peux.
Your challenge. Let's make it stick with a tiny mission. Tap a steady 2-beat, tap tap, then say.
Puis-je?
With 3 endings. Entrée, m'asseoir, avoir de l'eau. Record yourself asking someone nicely at a door, on a call, and in class. Bonus. Try the negative.
Puis-je ne pas?
And add a polite smile. Outro. Nice work today. Thanks for listening and practicing may I. And
Puis-je?
keep using these phrases this week, and swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more fun lessons, drills, and cultural tips from Synapse Lingo. See you next time.